this is coming.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Charles County in southern Maryland, southeastern Stafford County in northern Virginia, King George County in central Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, northeastern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fredericksburg to 6 miles northwest of Port Royal to 6 miles southeast of Bowling Green, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stafford, Fredericksburg, La Plata, King George, Dahlgren, Quantico, Fairview Beach, Nanjemoy Creek, Popes Creek, Aquia Creek, Potomac Creek, Port Tobacco River, Cherry Hill, Falmouth, Paspalumsey, Port Tobacco Village, Issue, Tompkinsville, Rameth, and Pisgah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.